to Dubai earlier this year, and which has to learn so many things to.
Our entire policy, programs, focus is centered around one agenda. And that agenda is to help and to uplift the farmers of our state and of the region as a whole. I think too many times governments, organizations, we sometimes get blinded, lost, overwhelmed by so many programs and policies that are going on that actually we forget what we are doing. And at the end of the day, we start to calculate our success based on how many plants we have distributed, or how many hectares of land we have converted into organic farming, or how many kilometers of irrigation canals we have constructed, or maybe how many machines and tools we have distributed. And ultimately failing to see what exactly we are here for. And therefore I always remind our team that it is absolutely important for us as political leaders, as leaders of different organizations, to not lose focus of what we are trying to actually do. In the last 7.5 years of our government, we have been exactly and precisely keeping the particular stakeholder in mind. We have been driving governance in our state. I urge you to not let go of that focus. Let this not be an event for you. Let this not be an end of a 3-day program where you really have a great experience, met a lot of people. Let this be a beginning of a journey where you may achieve things, you may not achieve things. You may be successful in some areas, you may not be successful in most areas. But I hope that this partnership and this friendship and this entire goal and perspective of trying to help our farmers will remain in your mind and in your heart even beyond these last 3 days, including today. For us, farmers have been a very important part of our policy making.